Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode of 60 Second Sewing, where I show you mini sewing machine tips, tricks, and hacks in 60 seconds or under. Today we're going to be talking about the mini sewing machine lower bobbin threading. So if you're confused about how to thread your lower bobbin, keep watching. So the best way to remember how to drop your mini sewing machine bobbin into the bobbin holder is to remember the Nifty 9 method. Your bobbin, when you look at it from the top, should make the number 9. So right now, it's not making a number 9, it's making the letter P because the string is going up and over. So we need to flip it over like this. And now, if you look at it, the thread is going up and over that way, making the number 9. And that's the Nifty 9 method for the mini sewing machine lower bobbin threading. So just holding it like this in the 9 shape, I'm going to open the bobbin casing, drop the bobbin in, pass my thread down that little crevice and close the bobbin holder. And that's it. Now all you have to do is raise the bobbin thread by holding on to the upper thread. And there you have it. The lower bobbin is up. I can push both the threads back and I'm ready to sew. I hope that was helpful. See you next time. Bye!